GAR chart. So basically, GAR chart shows a single value against a target. So if you have a target of, let's say that in a particular month or a particular year, if you want a target if of 1,000 product sales, and you totally sold 900. So the GAR chart is used to measure that how much deficiency is still required. And if you have in surplus, then GAR chart again give you the best idea that you are in deficit or in surplus. So GAR chart basically measure your performance. So for the scenario option, let's say that dashboard metrics like current sale versus target. As I mentioned that it tells you that what was the your target sale and what is your current sale or performance scores, and as per the labeling option, for value we use current measures, and for target value we use to set a certain goal, and for minimum maximum we set a range by ourselves. And again, no traditional axis for GAR chart like x-axis and for y-axis. Here you can see that we have made a GAR chart, and you see that our target was, let's say, is to sale of 368, but we have only able to make sales of 146.65. So this is the deficiency. So this was our target, but we were not able to meet our target.